Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to use portrait mode camera setting in redmi phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up like that and go to the camera icon first, so click on that. And if you want to know about the use of portrait mode camera setting, so click on the portrait mode camera setting. Then you have to click a photo in the portrait mode, and here you will see where when you view your photo, here you will see your photo is much more clear than the normal photo. So if you want clear photo, so you have to use portrait mode camera setting. So I hope this video helps you to know about the use of portrait mode camera setting. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.